In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WordPress page content not showing, easy, if your page looks empty on the front end. Even though you can see the text in the editor, the issue is often a problem inside the template or a block that WordPress needs to repair. We'll fix that right inside the site editor so your content appears correctly. Start by opening the site editor and loading the home template for your site. This is important because if the content is missing from the page, the template that renders it might be the source of the problem. Once the home template is open, look for WordPress notices in the top bar. When WordPress detects invalid or outdated markup, it offers to fix it for you. Click Resolve. If you see another prompt, click Resolve again. These prompts clean up issues across the template, and sometimes there's more than one fix to apply. Next, when WordPress pinpoints a specific element causing trouble, choose Resolve Block. This targets the problematic block directly, which is often what brings missing text back into view. Now click the paragraph area that contains your service description text and the Hello World line. Selecting the actual paragraph confirms the content exists in the template and lets you check that it isn't stuck inside a broken HTML block. When WordPress suggests it, click After Conversion. This converts any raw or invalid HTML into proper Gutenberg blocks without losing your content. It's a simple way to normalize the block so it behaves as expected. Click the Hello World text to make sure it's editable and visible in the canvas. If it is, you're in good shape. While you're here, use the highlight option to apply emphasis or ensure the text color clearly contrasts with the background. Styling that's too faint can make content look like it's missing when it's really just hard to see. When you're satisfied, click Save. WordPress may list exactly what's changing, your template, a template part, or styles, so confirm those changes. After that, click Launch, and then click Launch your site. This publishes your updates live, so the front end reflects the fixes you just made. That's it. By opening the home template, resolving WordPress prompts, converting the affected paragraph to proper blocks, confirming the text, and saving and launching, you'll restore missing page content quickly and cleanly. If your content still doesn't appear, review your theme colors and visibility settings in the same editor. Small style conflicts can mimic missing content, but in most cases, these quick resolves do the trick.